Hello. For today's video we have a Ps5 Dualsense controller with problem with the charging port. Okay, let's see under the microscope. As you can see, the port is broken, and I think someone already tried to fix it. Okay, the motherboard is out. Let's see under the microscope what we can see. Okay, we add some flux to make the solder flow more easy, and we add the lead solder to lower the melting temperature. As you can see, someone already, I think, tried to fix it, because there is a lot of solder on the grounds. Okay, now I'm using hot air, 480 Celsius and 90% air flow. Okay, the port is out. As you can see, one pad is already broken, but we're going to fix it. Okay, we clean the remaining flux, and we add a new flux, and with a solder wick I will take off the remaining solder. The reason I'm taking off the remaining solder it's because I want to add pure lead solder, because I need a low melting temperature, because the port is very easy to melt if you use a high temperature. Okay, now I will tin the pins from the charging port with a leaded solder. Don't use too much flux, because sometimes the flux go inside the charging port. It's very hard to clean it. Okay, now we're using flux and leaded solder to tin the pads. Also the ground holes. Some people prefer to not fill the ground holes, and some others to fill it. I prefer to fill it because it's more easy when I put the port down to make it to stay in the right position. Okay, I'm using hot air around the 380 Celsius and 60% airflow. When I see the solder melting, I put down the charging port, and I press it a little down with not too much pressure. Of course, we need to test with a tweezer if every pin is solid. As you can see, only one pad is not soldered, or two, so I will use my solder iron to fix that. Of course, now we must fix the broken pad. As you can see, I'm using the grinding tool to take off the outside layer of the motherboard and see the copper. It's not need to use any jumper wire because it's very close to the pin, so I will make a big blob to connect each other. We add more flux, a little flux, and now we are ready to solder the 2 points. As you can see, we have a bridge, but I will take now out the bridge. Okay, we are ready to test after we're cleaning. Of course, if you don't know, to power on the Dualsense controller, you need to put inside the battery. It cannot be on if you don't have a battery. We have orange light and the port is good and charging. Thank you for watching.